Breaking news: the Nigerian court has given the DSS August 24 for hearing date in fresh motion seeking remand for Sunday Igboho's aides. A federal high court in Abuja on Friday fixed August 24, 2021 for hearing in an application filed by the Department of State Services (DSS) seeking remand of 4 aides of the Yoruba secessionist leader Sunday Igboho. The 4 aides are part of the 12 clamped into detention since July 2nd by DSS and granted bail by the court since Wednesday, August 4. However, DSS, in an application filed after the bail was granted, urged Justice Obiora Egwuatu to cancel the bail granted to Mudat Babatunde, Abidin Shitu, Jamiu Oyetunde, and Bamidele Sunday. Department of State Service prayed the court to set aside their August 4 bail to enable it to remand them in its custody pending their arraignment during court vacation. The new application marked FHC was filed on August 9 at the Federal High Court in Abuja, although the court had on August 4 admitted them to bail with conditions yet to be perfected. The DSS in the fresh application seeking to halt the bail execution. In the application filed by its lawyer, Mr. Igboho, the security agency is claiming that it has not completed its investigation into the level of involvement of the 4 detainees in the stockpiling of arms and ammunition allegedly found in Igboho's house. DSS is subsequently praying Justice Obiora Egwuatu to reverse himself in the bail granted 4 out of the 12 detainees and permit it to remand the 4 detainees for further interrogation. A hearing notice cited by Daily Post at the Federal High Court on Friday showed that Justice Egwuatu has fixed August 24 for DSS to argue the application. Daily Post also recalls that Justice Egwuatu had on August 4th admitted the 12 applicants to various bail conditions while ruling in their applications. The judge hinged their bail on the fact that there was no criminal charge against the 12 applicants since their arrest and detention for over a month, contrary to the provisions of the law. The 4 detainees got bail in the sum of 10 million naira each, with 2 sureties in like sum, while the remaining 8 were granted bail in the sum of 5 million naira with 2 sureties each. Those admitted to 5 million naira bail are Abdulateef Olakpo, Tajudeen Erinioye, Diokola Jibril, Ayobami Donald, Uthman Adelabu, Oluwafemi Kunle Raji Kazeem, and Bamidele Sunday. One of the sureties the court held must be an employee of the federal government on grade level 12 and above. The sureties must be residents in Abuja and also have properties and must swear to an affidavit of means. The judge also ordered that the title deeds of the sureties must be jointly verified by the court registrar and the DSS in addition to evidence of 3 years of tax payment. The sureties are also to submit all travel documents to the court. Justice Egwuatu in addition held that the applicants should remain in the custody of the DSS pending the perfection of their bail. However, since the grant of the bail, the detainees have not been able to meet some of the stringent aspects of the conditions. Among the conditions said to be hard nuts for them to crack is the production of federal government employees above grade level 12 and others with properties in Abuja with verified title documents and 3 years tax reports. At the time of this report, Daily Post confirmed that all the 12 detainees are still in the custody of the DSS. Counsel to the detainees, Mr. Pelumi Olajengbesi, confirmed receipt of the August 24 hearing date for the DSS application. Okay, can you see that these people are very wicked? They know quite alright that this bail condition might not be met by these so-called 4 Igboho's aid, but to baffle or to to get more surprised and to be astonished is the provision of a government worker with level 12 and resides in Abuja, or have a property in Abuja, and also he must have a document of 3 years tax report. Can you see that these people are very, very, very wicked in their dealings? Why would court even remand them in the first place? But according to the constitution of Nigeria, make una hear this but they say bail is free. Why would they collect 5 million, 10 million and thereabout from a suspect, because they've been allegedly convicted or accused that they are stockpiling arms, which is false, and they should have given a fair hearing so that they can explain themselves. If not, that the corrupt nation that we call Nigeria is so devilish and biased, especially this government of Buhari, so biased in dealing with the southerners. They know they can't meet the condition of the bill. It's very, very impossible for them to even see a government worker that has level 12 and also a property in Abuja without tax, and each the 4 people will now bring each shorty, or maybe one person will shorty for them or thereabout. Can you see that the so-called administration of President Muhammadu Buhari is devilish, and it is only God that will judge him and his cohort, and also the judges? And meanwhile, the Fulani herders are walking freely all over the country, carrying AK-47 up and down, and they are not charged. But they said these people are planning to stockpiling arms, which are not very confirmed, and they have not pleaded guilty to the charges. And meanwhile, they are telling them to come and bail themselves with 5 million naira, 2 shorties each. Wow, 2 shorties each with 5 million naira. I wonder where they want these people to get those shorties from. I could even say, okay, maybe money can be razzled out or contributed for them. But when it comes to that condition, well, it's only God. That is why we need to divide this country. Come 2023, let's see how it unveils, because the shorties are to submit all travel documents to the court also. Then who is going to do shorty stand for these people and submit his or her travel documents? Can't you see that their bail condition may not be met? Well, it says since the grant of the bail, the detainees have not been able to meet some of the stringent aspects of the condition. Wow, how can they meet the conditions? This is so very, very wicked and appalling. Well, I would like you to share your thoughts over this. Thanks for listening, and God bless.